So this is the Vision Pro pamphlet right here, and pretty much Apple has a knack to like show off their product right here. And this is just the instructional video showing you how to get started and all that. And look at the detail of that all around here. That's awesome. Just attention to detail by Apple is just crazy. Yeah, so for those of you who are wondering, like, it's just pretty easy stuff. And apparently, when you know you're trying to fit all this stuff on your head, they do care to get you going. When I was doing my demo, you gotta make sure that the customer has their perfect fit on there. As you could see there, there's the dual loop. I don't think I'll be using the dual loop at all, just because I don't want to mess up my hair there. But if it gets heavy over time, which when I was doing the demo, it didn't feel like it was heavy at all. Sure, I'll try it out, but for the most part, I probably won't. I'll just stick to the solo loop. Pretty cool. That's the Vision Pro instruction manual.